it starts like moving 2 minutes before because I'm like, well,
Yeah.
I think overall this thing's gonna keep going down, but like it's so hard. It's just
Yeah.
it's a shot. I'm like, well, I could just bounce up, which it did obviously. We're gonna go going short.
I hit my 200 subscribers.
Oh,
Fucking
never
people in
see
the
the.
chat yesterday were asking for my Discord. Like, I mean, not my Discord. My if I had a YouTube. And then I was just staying silent until like the very end of the night, and then I'd, like one kid was like, "Dude, just tell me it." I'm like, "Ah, fine." And then it's like, there you go.
Actually seen some volume than yesterday. At least. Is there any big news today?
Um, let me see. There's stuff at 8:30. No, we got some stuff at 10, but it's white folder or like yellow folder. So I don't think it should do much. If a ball flag sets up perfectly at 10, I'm fucking taking it. So not one of those news events.
those accounts?
Oh, well, I got denied from 30 because it's because like I requested $752 or $762, which meant my account did say at one point that I was up 800 like 52,862, and now it says I'm up 52,677. So I got denied. The other three still say they're under review, but clearly they're gonna get denied because it's the three that are left under review are 27, 28, 29. So 30 already got denied, and 27, yeah, 27, 28, 29, which those three are all over the buffer, but still, I requested more than that in all of them because they said they were higher. But I'm hoping, like, realistically, because that's fucking retarded, that, because it's obviously, it was in my account for fucking, like, a week, and then they said, oh, actually, Trade Evade made a mistake.
Yeah, I don't
Like,
know how you can just.
realistically, if I don't even care, because it's like, okay, at the end of the day, I guess the money I made wasn't actually mine because it was a mistake. But I should be able to request tomorrow. Like, say if I make a like have a winner today, I should be able to request like tonight.
Yeah, get your trading days back.
Yeah,
At
like,
least.
but I have a bad feeling that that's not gonna happen. I'm gonna have to trade another 8 days. Because like realistically, it would be a bigger payout than it was. Because I was at like I think it was like 2,963 for these four, and if I were to take a trade today and win, I'd be getting like over a $4,000 payout because it'd be like $1,000 in each pretty much, or like $900 in each. So it'd be like 30. It'd be like an extra like grand or extra like $800 or something like that. So I don't know, but I'm afraid they're gonna be like, oh no, you have to trade fucking 8 more days. Which I mean, at the end of the day, I guess it doesn't matter as long as I don't blow the accounts when I get there. But it's just a little annoying.
Yeah, that sucks.
Bruno, good morning, bro. I watched your live yesterday after it ended and had subtitles. Thanks for adding them. It did. I don't know how I didn't do anything different. I don't know how it did. I don't know. Well, that's good, I guess. There wasn't really much to watch yesterday. I was just fucking. I didn't even take a trade. Stop break even on shorts. That was Did you get in before the open? You must have, right? Did you ride through the open? Sounds a little sketchy. You're scary. $8.39, 3-minute chart. Let me take a look. 8:39, or I have a 2-minute chart, but 8:39. Okay, you got in like somewhere, like here. Then how much were you trying to catch? How big of a move? I mean, that's around like the 660s to the friggin' 570s. That's a big move. Aiming for low of day. How much? What was your risk on that? Like how much? How much were you risking? Like the high? Even if you were risking the high, that was like a friggin' 1 to 2, right? Yeah, roughly that. I don't know. 1 to 2 is pretty good. You gotta think the percentage chance that it goes down to there. What is that? 3.4. That means you're basically at most times you take a trade that big, you're gonna lose it 70 or like 67% of the time. That sucks. I hate high RRs. I really do. Wasn't actively managing through the open as I was at BE. Would have partial lit normally, to be fair. How many contracts do you trade that you like? What do you take off for partials? Half or like 3/4 and leave a runner, or just a little bit? Talk about a fucking fat boner candle to the downside.
Is this the resweep?
It almost did it on ES, and it was closer on ES. It looked like. But let's see. I drew a line like ignoring the top wick from that 942 candle. Okay, the sweep. Or realistically, it hasn't had its second touch. Or no, okay. Had 3 micros, so it would have taken 1 off before open. Oh, okay. So you'd still have a majority on it though that you needed to get to the full 3R. Whoa.
We're going. Oh,
Okay. I still like shorts here. I just go wherever the market tells me to. It's as simple as I was looking for longs because if that started to make a bull flag, I would have went long. Now it's looking more like shorts. 15-minute range is up. What is your entry model, Nor? Like, how do you, if you like shorts, like, what do you need to see to go short? I use order blocks. Heard of it? I have no idea what it is. Oh, Tupac, you're back from the dead. Will you trade today? If something presents itself, I will, but we will see. It's a tough question to answer. God. Oh, did you ever end up ranking that movie or no? I haven't ranked it yet.
Yeah.
Where'd you put it? Good talk.
I'm looking. I have to pull it up.
I've watched all your trades that you took. What kind of strategy is that? Is that like an insult? What kind of strategy is that? Or you're asking what kind of strategy is that? Are you like, what kind of strategy is that? Or are you genuinely asking? I just trade like flags. I'm just looking for breakouts.
It's number 5 on my list.
What's 4, 3, 2, and 1?
Novocaine, Sonic, Minecraft, Dogman, Amateur, Black Bag, Penalties 2, Mickey 17.
Okay. You have Novocaine, Sonic. What was the other two?
I put Minecraft there, but it was so like I don't even know if I would have. It's just one that like I know it was good. I liked it. It was funny, but
I
I was expecting
was.
it.
I have to rewatch it and then make an opinion on it because I was struggling to keep my eyes open for a while. But I think it might. It's just a problem of rewatchability. Like I don't know how I'm ranking my list
That's what I think I would
because it's like I like
rewatch
that
Minecraft
movie
more.
more than fucking Captain America, but I would probably watch Captain America because it's more of like it's just a movie you can throw on. Like not saying I would fucking throw it on, but like I didn't mind Captain America and like that's like a whole movie like where you gotta like you can't just sit there and be like oh action like you have to sit there and like get invested into the movie because it's just all like one big story.
Yeah.
But it's like, do I take points away for that? I don't think so. I think it's gonna go at my number 3 spot because I was actually like into it for the most of the movie. Like I didn't think it was dragging. I thought it was a little slow, but there's like levels to it.
Yeah. It's like that's the problem. It's like you gotta be slow because it's all about suspense.
Yeah,
But
but then I'm just like, there's just stuff you could have cut out to make this movie an hour and a half long. Like I feel like they just drag movies on for no reason. I swear.
yeah,
Nah, bro, but I never saw trade like that before. Yeah, it's just I just trade flags. I'm like just trying to get the next leg down or whatever. Like something like this. Let's see. Where can I find? Or realistically, I mean this one, like right here, kind of something like that. And then once it breaks a line, that's like your next leg, like a push down, a pull back, and then a fucking breakdown. And then I made my own criteria around how specific I want my flag to look before I get it. If I hadn't gone BE, I'd be printing right now. How much were you risking, Nor? I feel like all I see from ICT people is them going break even, it touching their break even, and then them would have making like a fucking 10 hour trade. Like at some point, aren't you just like, okay, I don't go
Oh,
break even anymore?
Jack's about to hop on.
3 micros, $250 on 3 accounts. Yeah, like, are you afraid to let it go to your stop loss? Are you afraid of losing those $250?
Yo, yo, yo.
Oh, God.
What's up?
What's wrong with you, Johnny?
Just sitting here?
Little butthurt, dude? Already?
No.
No? Just sitting
This guy acts like this isn't our job and comes in and fucking.
here? It was just
No, just follow my
waiting.
rules. It's just painful when it hits break evens and runs. Does it happen enough where you shouldn't have a break even as a rule? That's what happened to me. I was going break even. And I'm like, why am I waiting all this time to enter, and then I don't give my trade the chance. If it fits my criteria, I'm like, okay, I'm okay losing on it. If I take my A plus setup, I'd rather lose than get stopped break even and then have it run and hit my take profit. So then I decided to take away my break even.
How's it
From
going?
my data, I'm more profitable actively managing, to be fair. Okay. As long as you know that. What did you say, Jackie Boomer?
I said, how's it going so far?
The market's going up and down, but per usual. I don't know, no flags yet, no nothing. News comes out in like 6 minutes, but it's small news. There's some kid, Jack, actually, the kid we watch, who you've seen or whatever, the kid who
Diego,
like
that
breaks his
kid?
rules every day.
Yeah.
He made like a Discord, and I was in there like talking to him, and like he was like streaming like his like back testing. He was having like a back testing session yesterday, and then I was talking to him in there, and he said he ended up like messaging me after and being like, "All right, if I break my rules again tomorrow, uh, I'm gonna join your Discord or whatever, and you can just." Because I'm like, dude, I could fix your trading, I swear, but you're gonna have to be able to get absolutely bullied and not take it to heart. Because me and Johnny are just gonna fucking sit there and haze you for being an idiot. And then like
That's funny.
he just kind of like laughed about it, and then like he messaged me like he had left at like 11 o'clock or something, and then I was just still in there like talking to other kids because which is crazy, Jack. But me and Johnny are in like the 2% of traders already, which is nuts because most people
Yeah.
don't know how to get payouts. But yeah, and then I saw that he messaged me and was like, "I might need your help."
That's crazy.
Uh, let's By the way, where's that guy that came in last week and was fully tilted? Has he been back since? What guy? Is that Johnny you're
That
talking about?
music guy?
Was Johnny? Oh, no. Are you talking about a chat guy or a guy who was in my Discord? Because there's either Jack or Johnny. I don't know which one of you was fully tilted at something. Chat guy. Oh, Music Madness. Yeah, he comes in. He'll sit there. He sat there the entire stream yesterday, didn't say anything, and then I went on Stake to do my daily dollar that they give you for free, and then he called me a degenerate gambler, and then told Johnny his name was stupid. It was comedy. I think his name's like Music Madness. He's probably here. He likes to hang out and then shit on me. It's comedy. Excuse me. Fuck.
You alright over there?
No. Joking on water. The cut is working. I'm down to like 198 right now. We're getting there. I'm coming down to your weight, Jack. I think I'd blow over in the wind, but fuck. Well, this thing's just gonna push all the way through. Cool. Cool. Man, this must be hurting you right now, Nor. We're about to hit the lows. Come up, hit your break even. Then she's gonna go. Oh well, bring it on tomorrow. Oh, you're done for the day? That's it? You took your one pre-market trade and then that's it?
The Red Sox playing today?
Probably play every day.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They're
dude, get
playing at
fucked.
home at all?
No, I think they're still in Tampa, right?
7 o'clock game. They seem like they're doing a lot worse than 9 and 10.
I guess.
When you say that your draw is met, why was your draw low of day and not like high of day or something? I feel like a lot of people like either have it, they're like, oh, like you could sweep low, London low or London high. Like, why was the draw low? Place everything with the 4 hour or daily chart. What on the daily? Let me check the 4 hour. Maybe it's more prominent on that. Like, is it just you were targeting here because of this? Because of the overnight? Or was it from something prior? Base short on the 4 hour, 2 a.m. candle, close back inside the range of 10 p.m. candle. The 4 hour, what did you say? The 4 hour, 2 a.m. candle, closed back inside the range of the 10 p.m. candle. This 10 p.m. candle? No. Or, not this 10 p.m. candle, right? It's gotta be this one here. Oh, wait, no, that's 10 a.m. I'm sorry. I'm stupid. So this 10. So this 2 a.m. closed inside this. okay. I see. Like big rejection, closes below, so you think it's gonna continue downward too. I see. Could be starting to get into something here, Johnny. So that's what you use for daily. You use like 1 day prior, pretty much, or like on that 4 hour. Use like the prior day. You don't look back too crazy far. Well, we got a sweep of the high. A sweep of the high. Such a mechanical approach to bias. No need to overcomplicate it. I like that. That is nice and simple. It's not fucking anything too crazy. And then, like, what if it so what is it? Literally, if it closes out of it, if the 2 a.m. closes out of the 10 p.m., like if it closed above it, you would have been looking for longs or something. Are we just gonna chop back into the range here? I only trade the next 4 hour for a candle if it closes into. What if it doesn't? You just don't take a trade for that day? Across oil, gold, and IQ, I've read enough opportunities. Okay, well, I got you. Did you say you're profitable? I don't remember. Same thing. Pivot point here. We're rejecting off of. Yeah, but only for a few months, so cautious saying so. Okay, I like that. My criteria is I have to be moved out and like living strictly on my trading for me to consider myself like fully profitable. Like you see these guys, and I'm like, no, I know I'm profitable. I passed an eval in the past. Like no, I'm profitable this month because I passed my eval and I'm on my XFA or whatever. I'm like, that does not count as profitable. Did 10 a.m. news do anything? It was a little bit higher volume, I guess. Was there 10 a.m. news? It was tiny. Nor it was like business inventories and NAHB housing market index. Business inventories month over month. Yeah. And then there is some. Be careful though, if you are trading crude oil. There's a little bit of like yellow folder news at 10:30. Crude oil inventories, I guess. Will you only take one trade on one instrument a day, or if there's multiple setups on across multiple different instruments, will you go in? Thought it was just 8:30 in Powell today. Does Powell speak later? Did I see? Oh yeah, he does. Fitzgerald speaks at 1:30. One a day maximum, 4 max a week. I like it. You got some hard, like, set in stone rules. That's good. don't like days like this. Like these are the days I can't capitalize and really do anything on. It's just like just like V reversals kind of. It's just like okay, we make the leg up, and then we never have a setup all the way down, and then even from here, it looks like trying to get short somewhere, and then it just keeps ripping higher. There's just nothing to do. I mean, we're back inside the 15-minute range too, which usually is an indicator that we are not going places.
Dropping.
Yeah. Any trades today, Michael? So far, nothing. No flags are setting up. What about you? Anything crazy? It's I don't know if I consider it choppy just yet, but we're on the verge of me saying it's getting a little choppy. We're moving, we're just not giving the structure I like to see on the moves for me to get it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got work at 4 today, Jack?
Dude, I got nothing today.
You got nothing?
Besides golf and hockey.
And a leg day?
Leg day. Bad day.
Oh, it's a leg day for us. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's not funny. Dang it.
Couldn't be me, dude. Couldn't be me.
Feels bad. Feels bad.
Like they sucks.
It's leg fail today. On either hack squats or leg press.
I'd rather do leg press on.
Y'all don't do regular squats. I don't even. We can't even do regular squats. We just go to Planet Fitness. They don't even have. They just do like Smith machines. So we'll just do hack squats if we do squats. I know I'm a pussy. I go to Planet Fitness. Just shit on me. Yeah, that gym is for pedophiles. Yep, I knew it. I knew it was coming. Yeah.
I'm not touching my legs. We're another 2 weeks after my tough rock.
After your what?
Tough rock.
What is tough rock?
26.2 mile.
Oh,
rock
that.
with a weighted backpack.
Yeah. Forgot about that. When is that? 2 weeks?
Sunday.
This Sunday?
Yeah.
Where is it through? Like, where's the course through? Or, like,
Concord.
is it on the
Like
street?
Washington to...
Like, do they
It's
close
like
down
on a
the
bike
street?
path to like pass in the woods and
Okay.
So you're doing 26 miles?
yeah,
With a
it's a
backpack on?
marathon. Yeah, it's a marathon.
Is it a run?
It's like a ruck, so it's like a fast-paced walk slash run.
How
Does it
much?
take
How much is
10
in the
hours?
vest? Like, how much is the weighted vest?
Takes you. My backpack's probably gonna be like 20 pounds.
I got you.
Um,
Is there like different?
it takes people like 8 hours to finish. I'm gonna hopefully finish in like 6.5.
Oh, so he thinks he's an hour and a half better than everybody.
No, an 8-hour finish is a 6.5 hour finish is like 15 something, I think. Maybe a little less than 15:30.
So it's like the fake jog kinda.
Yeah, like a fast, like you could walk at that pace, like a fast pace.
That's like at the point where it's almost less, it's like less comfortable to, it's more comfortable to jog that than to walk that.
Yeah.
It's like a fucking fast walk or a slow jog.
I only walked 2.5 miles just to break in my boots.
A bunch of people from the police station doing it or no?
I think 3 others. I'll be back in like 5 minutes. I'm going to get some caffeine.
Okay. Have fun.
Alright, just had to let that out. I'm excited.
I'm so excited. Man, this is great price action, eh, Johnny?
Yep. Literally already fucking bored. Doing nothing that I want.
God, I feel like I don't even fucking take trades anymore at this point.
And you haven't been taking a lot of trades lately.
FFs, did you say you took a trade today or no? Like, there's just no. We're just straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. What am I supposed to do with this? How can I work with this? I don't play off of levels. I feel like the only time you could be entering today if you have levels.
But the market being closed on Friday is really just
Oh, oh,
also put a damper on my mood.
oh! Don't tell me that. I forgot.
Then
Yeah, we only have today and tomorrow.
Yep, and then you gotta spend all weekend with the fam.
The fam.
It's Easter.
Oh, I don't even know if we do anything for Easter. Market's closed Friday, for fuck's sake. Yep. Stupid Jesus Christ had to go and die.
Friday. What's good, Tekis?
Oh, good morning, Tekkas. A late one today. 10:20. How'd the trade go? You make $1 million again, per usual? Because I got a whole bunch of diddly squat over here. Didn't take anything? Alright, that makes me feel better. Been shitting since 9:30. The market or you? Me?
Nope.
No. I thought you were talking about the market.
In the bowl. Nice.
Guys got the runs. I mean, what is this fucking price action? What is it? Such a funny thing to come and say. Diego said he took a great trade following my plan 1-1.
Well,
Low-key ICTs fucked my brain though. Dude, I dead ass could make so much money teaching. Literally, I could just be the biggest fucking guru. I'm turning over to the dark side, man. Because 1-1, because I hit the 1-1 following my plan, and yeah, Rachi's gonna say, but it instantly reversed. Yeah, yep. This is. Can you guys see that when it pops up or no? Like, can you see Discord messages pop up? I don't. Or actually, you must be able to. So based on ICTBS, I wouldn't have hit my liquidity. Yeah. It was Tyrone. Remember the guy's name who was on? Oh, in the chat, Tyrone. Yeah, no, Tyrone. He, I think he killed himself or something. I don't know what happened to him. I think he said he was quitting training forever or something like that. After because he had, what happened? I think the last day, like the last day he came in and he like called out like 3 fucking trades. They all lost, and then he was in another trade, and he was up.
Short.
Yeah, he was up in a short, and then 11 o'clock came out, and like some crazy news happened, and it just ripped up like 100 points into his stop loss. Oh, it was comedy. One got worked out so badly. Yeah, it was.
I mean, that wasn't even Wiggo, that was just bad news.
Yeah, I think Trader Backtest was also in. I think he got stopped for break even. But yeah, Tyrone just fucking. And he's like, and I moved my break even back to like his full stop or something like that. So he was up a shit ton and then moved his break even back to stop. And then the giant news scandal came out and just wrecked him. I'm good, guys. I'm good. I promise. Literally, that was him. That is what he said. And then Johnny was like, "Dude, who are you fooling? You just called out 3 trades that lost." He's like, all right, enter here, 20-point stop. Okay, enter here, 50-point take profit, 1-1, 2-1, and I'm like, okay, and then he just kept losing. Damn, this thing doesn't want to give shit. Doesn't want to give shit, Johnny. No Friday, now this. Yeah, what are you looking for here, Tekkas? Reality for most traders? It is true, FFs, which is crazy that revenge like it's crazy that that's like a main reason people fail is because of their psychology. Like you would think it would be because like all right, I can't find an edge, I can't do this, but like so many people like I literally can't follow the rules that I put in place for myself. Like it just shows that literally most people are conditioned to just be workers. Because if you can't like respect yourself enough to follow your rules when no one's watching and no one's telling you, it's just like unfortunately that you're meant to be. Yeah, people are desperate for money. Yeah, but at some point that's also the case too. People are like, I'm gonna get rich, it's gonna happen in a week, and I have no money for fucking backup. It's like that's why I think you need a good cushion, or at least you still need a job. Like, people like, don't quit your job, and it's like, I quit my job before I ever fucking traded, but I also saved up a shit ton of money, so I think it has to be one or the other. It's either you have to stay with your job and try to make this work on the side, and, like, maybe work, like, nights or something like that, so you can trade, like, New York Open. Jesus Christ, this guy won't fucking stop messaging me now. Or you have to have a bunch of money saved up. Jesus Christ, dude. This guy's sexting me. What is happening, Diego? You're part of Diego's Discord? No, that's Diego himself. Yeah, I'm in his Discord, and I was talking to him yesterday, and then he, like, messaged me afterwards, because he was doing, like, some backtesting stream, and then he's like, I might have to join your stream so you and Johnny can shit on me. Or, like, I told him, I'm like, I could make you a better trader in, like, a week, I guarantee you. I'll, like, make you follow your rules. Me and John, I'm like, you'll just share your screen, and me and my friend will sit there, and we'll just fucking yell at you while you do dumb shit. Like, and then that's what like I said to him during the stream, and then I saw he like messaged me afterwards and was like, I might have to take you up on that. Honestly, if this sets up a flag here, I could look for longs. Johnny, what do you think? What? Did you say no?
I said I don't know.
I think that's his problem. Also, he needs money. Yeah, he does need money, so he panics. Yeah, he's just so emotional. Like, unfortunately, his brain is just absolutely wired to, like, he's afraid. He's like, his brain was wired to be terrified when there's money on the line, so he panics. Oh, hello, Gigi. Did you take any flags today? Because I did not. There hasn't really been too much today, honestly, so it's a bad example of a day. But did you watch any of my lives and see like the trades I took, or no? This is my first student, Johnny, as as the gurus say.
Oh yeah.
Football fanatic. Yeah, I talked to him in a call yesterday for like an hour or so before I went to the movies because he was like asking about shit, and I was like, dude, I don't want to teach you. Like, I don't even know if I'm doing shit right. I'm just doing what works for me right now. And then he wasn't persistent. And
What
I
a
was like,
good
all right, I'll
teacher.
fucking show. Yeah, watch all
I don't
the
wanna
lives when
teach
you
you.
took trades. Well, no, why would I want to teach if I'm like, I'm not even moved. Like, I was like, my point is I want to be moved out, and then I would consider myself profitable. And then he's like, dude, I don't fucking care. You get 11K in payouts. It's enough for me. Or something. Sensei Mike. Oh, yeah. I'm fucking... I don't even know. I don't even know what to say. It is crazy though. Just for me showing, I could show 1 month of me taking a 10K payout. The amount of money you could make off of that, just being like, I made 10K this month. Come join my Discord. It's this much. People would fucking pay. It's crazy.
What movie was it again?
What movie? We watched The Amateur. What is it? Amateur? The Amateur with Freddie Mercury. Or whatever the fucking guy, whatever the guy is from that. Are you net positive after fees? Yeah. I'm net positive, but like, yeah, that payout is enough evidence for me, bro. I guess, but you gotta be careful, like, to just blindly trust in people. I mean, I know I sent, like, in the Discord, like, my P&L sheets or whatever. But still. But, like, FFs, is that what you classify as profitable? I know, like, statistically, it's like, okay, if you're net positive, you're profitable. But, like, there's levels to this shit, right? There's, like, profitable, and then there's, like, living off your trading profitable. Damn, I really wanted that to sweep there. Actually looking decent though. If this comes down, sweeps, touch the EMA, pushes back up, I could be looking to get it along. Oops, what the fuck did I just do? Here we go. No, I'm just wondering if that payout put you great. Yeah, I have. I honestly don't know my stats from last year. I know I made 7K in payouts, and I don't think I spent. I actually definitely didn't spend 7K, but I don't know like statistically how much I spent. I know it was less than that, and then this year I have like every expense and every expense and every like payout I got. So I have it in a spreadsheet I can show you. Hold on, I might be taking this.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
There's no bottom wick on this, which I don't love, but I don't know. She's tried like 3 or 4 times already. Are you in this, Johnny, or no?
No.
Come on, push for me. Ugh. I don't know. I don't know. She's trying. Come on. I just need like the high pretty much. God, the candles are definitely less volume. I mean, I already knew that, but just being in it, normally it's like, or lately it's just been like instantly up 40 or 50 ticks and then fucking right to stop loss or take profit.
Yep.
Like this one, I could actually be in for a couple minutes. This baby doesn't want to move. Yeah. Damn crazy, man. I believe it'll go up here. We'll see.
Oh, brother.
Oh boy, Jack's gonna come in. I'm gonna fucking lose, and then I'm gonna be sad, and then he's gonna laugh at me. At my career, that I'm failing in my career.
Take us,
Oh no.
little bitch.
Whoa! I thought you guys were friends.
We are, dude. We are.
Friendly banter.
Well, you at least give me an inch. I'm 5'7", dude. Check my license.
Jack
Check the
5'6",
5'6", man. No. That's fucked
That's
up.
up.
See, a different me would go break even. But now I'll just lose instead. Right off that pivot point right there. On this guy here. Let's see. We'll keep waiting. Jack, you'll either see me make or lose $9,000 right now. Flip this bitch. Flipper.
It's looking pretty good.
I know, I want this candle to close high. No, don't start pushing down. Doji it. Flip it green. Go. Push. Push. It's gonna climb slowly. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's getting wicky at the top. Uh-oh. It wants me to go break even. Yikes. 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 You're gonna be here a minute. I don't know about that. We might be out in a fucking second here. Hopefully the EMA holds it here. Candle's gotta close. I need a good start to this candle.
Chop killed.
There she goes. Right off that pivot point, straight down. Shit.
I feel like that's the first trade you've lost in so long.
That is the first trade I've lost in so long. Forgot what it was like to lose.
Yep, now go on full tilt. Blow all your
Yeah.
accounts.
There we go. It's Jover. Kiss him goodbye. Look everyone up. Now we go. Yeah, that's what I thought this was here. Or that's what I thought this was here. Thought that was your wick out into your flag with the EMA.
Now we go
That
Tyrone
was your
mode.
trap. I was up. How much was I up? I was up 65 ticks. Shit. I'm gonna go watch Sinners today at the drive-in theater. I like the drive-ins. Sinners is what, like the thriller scary movie, I think? Not today.
That
Jordan?
RJ didn't want to see.
Haley
Sorry.
Steinfeld.
Alright, great. Say actors that I don't know.
I showed you
Michael
what
B.
she looks
Jordan?
like, and she's married to Josh Allen.
Oh, well. Like, I'm supposed to remember that lady's name. Are you going with anybody, Tekis? You going with a hot date? Also,
already have a girl?
Accountant 2 comes out.
I know.
Yeah,
I think that's gonna be my number one on my list, Tekis. I'm excited for that one.
I'm gonna have to watch Accountant 1 first. Is this feasible? Am I over trading? Am I...
You're gonna love it. It's all about a guy who has autism.
Oh, great. Dude, I literally was driving to the gym yesterday. There was just some full blown like retard walking down the street, like in the main road. I was like, dude, this guy's gonna get hit. I don't know what to call him other than retards, but like some guy who had issues. Oh, I might get back in here, honestly. You might see me fucking be a degenerate, even though it's not really being a degenerate. If this comes up, hits it,
Until
pushes back
dawn?
down, I'll get back in.
Honestly, I'm not sure which one.
So I
it
think
is.
that's your wick out. I think I just got the wicks. But if I don't like it hard pushing straight to it, but
Yeah, but I don't know if full blown retard is politically correct.
what is it? What? I'm pretty sure that's. Christ. Oh, this is gonna rip right now.
Bro,
I don't want to get in on this. I need a fucking push down first. I don't feel
For
comfortable
me?
getting in on this.
for me to play Valorant, I have to restart my PC, and it's just not happening.
Because that would take so long.
It's just hassle. All right, I'll be right back.
You getting in here, Johnny?
I don't know, it's just chopping around.
That's just...
Maybe I'm getting it like
Ugh.
analysis
Order
paralysis. but
submitted.
I have like no intention of taking anything right
Order filled.
Alright, we're trying it again. I'm okay with it. A rare 2-trade day from Mike.
now. Same move.
Hey, I did this. My other 2-trade day, or like 3-trade day, was the same thing. I took a trade, got wicked out. It came, pushed up. I got in again, made my money back, and then I took another trade, and then I was up on the day. So,
See?
and this is looking very similar to that one, so I'm fine with it. If I lose 800, so be it. So be it. Come on, push for the man. And I push, and I push, and I push, and I push.
Gotta find some legs.
Yeah. There you go. Keep going. Whoa!
Target filled.
Jesus Christ. Alright.
Oh, back to even at least.
Sick of this dude. Music Madness, my man. What's up? Hate that
Hate that
I love this guy. I absolutely love this guy. Christ. I'm too much of a bitch to enter right now. Look at this dude, looking good, nice. See, that's how you remain calm. Realize that you got absolutely fucking fucked on the first one and wicked out. But then you make it back.
Oh, Music Madness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you see him? He just goes, I hate that you won. Textbook. Exactly. See, football fanatic. You see what I'm talking about though? Like, this is what I saw originally, and obviously nothing works 100% of the time. Like I told you, I'm no fucking wizard here, but it's making its flag, its second touch point, like here and here. It sweeps below here. I get in when the break of the flag pushes through, but obviously comes down, stops me out. Wicks below again, and there's just a little bit more flat of a flag, but you'll see that these work out a bunch, I swear. There's very rarely a lot of triple tops after, especially like a sweep. That's just to trap people. And then fucking enter here, rip right up to it. Textbook. Fucking pay me my money. How much? How much can I sell the course for? To be break even on the day. I'm a wizard. Oh, that's actually so funny. Hate that you won. Oh my god. That's the best. I love you, Music Madness. Do you trade? Let's see if we can get into this guy's life here. What's going on in your life, Music Madness, that makes you such a miserable prick? Let's hear it. Is it because you're a Jew? Is that why? Are all Jews just miserable? I'm gonna get banned from YouTube. It's gonna happen. I think Jews own YouTube and everything else, but
My store's looking fire.
I lost my dad, bro. Now I kind of hate you. Ah, unlucky, man. Unlucky. Lost your dad. Now you're a piece of shit. I'm sure your dad would be proud.
You must be black and must have went and got milk.
Nice. All right. I don't think he meant he lost his dad. I think he meant his dad's dead, but I also don't believe him at all. He's
He's
using the
said
pity.
That in the context behind wasn't funny, Johnny. You
Yep.
could have used it in a better situation.
Yeah, literally, your joke's lame. You're the
Yeah,
reason.
dude. What is
I
it?
just
Yeah,
dropped
what is
from
it?
11
What is
viewers.
it, black and
to
went
7.
to get milk, dude?
My bad.
I just lost
Alright,
4
you don't like
viewers because of that joke. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
You're so fucking boring.
Wait.
Not joking. Okay, great. I don't care if you fucking lost your dad. It doesn't give you the right to be a dick. Like, it doesn't. I can't be bothered. And also, I don't believe you. This is the pity card.
Also, why would I care? I don't know you.
Nice.
That was a good one, Gotti.
Okay,
I
Lawson.
mean, I'm not even. That wasn't even a joke. I'm literally just being serious. I literally, if you're a random person on the street and you come up and said I lost you, and I'm like, why the fuck would I care?
Yeah, FFs. I'm a big losser. It's unfortunate.
Oh my god.
Tyrone.
It's
the
Tyrone?
man. Oh, you know Trader Backtest is gonna be here in a
Tyrone!
second because fucking Trader Backtest is a boner for Tyrone. How goes
the
it? How
account,
goes
Tyrone?
how goes the trading, man? Tyrone. Give me a signal, please, boss. Oh no, not more Tyrone signals. Anything but that. No trades this week, really cooling off from Friday. Yeah, that's probably for the best. Oh, my bad. Okay, I will, but I won't take it. Oh no! If you're not if you don't even have faith. Actually, if you're not taking it, it'll probably work out. Let's hear it. Honestly, if this comes up and makes a flag, I'm ripping a 3-trade day.
What character do I usually be? Besides Neon?
Jet.
I'm never leaving Neon.
Oh, what's that, Jed?
God, Valorant.
What's that fucking? What's that girl's name?
I have
Fade?
no idea.
Fade.
Fade?
Yep, Fade.
I wouldn't know, bro.
No, I wouldn't. My PC can't handle Valorant.
Yep.
Just working
It's
on my
just on
health
Valorant.
bars.
You literally can't even play it.
Yeah, great. Johnny, you drive your mom's car. I don't want to hear it. Okay, he's too
Drive
poor
a
to.
mom's car.
Yeah, I drive. At least I paid for my mom car. Trying not to call anyone gay. Wow, I think you're gonna relapse. You're definitely calling someone gay. See what happens here. We got 10 minutes left.
I'm calling it myself. I know I'm not gonna take anything.
Oh yeah, you making that determination while you're downstairs cooking breakfast?
Well, I made that determination 2 minutes before, and I'm not making breakfast. I'm heating up breakfast. Some chicken palm. Ugh.
What's Planet 4? Got it.
What map you playing at?
I'll tell you in a sec.
Aren't you playing at it now? You don't know it?
No, I forget what it's called.
What did this guy say? I'm 0 days sober from calling somebody gay. FFs. That's tough. Your accounts are funded or in eval phase. No, they're funded. This is. Except for my take profit trader, this guy here. This is 4,990
Yes, sir.
or 49,000. I just bought it yesterday, just because I want an account to like fool around with.
Did you trade it with those?
Yeah, I did, but I might still take trades later on with it today, just with that account, just for shits and giggles. I mean, realistically, I can make up to $1,500 today on it, so we'll see.
I thought Valorant Tracker tells you the map that you're playing.
Press tab or whatever. Should
When will
say.
you
It
request a
doesn't say
payout?
it.
I have been. I requested
How many bomb sites are there?
I requested like 12K
2.
this month in XR, but I got denied in I'm gonna get denied in 4 because I got an email from Apex. I can actually show you this one. I'm off mic and friends. All right, peace out, FFs. Enjoy the rest of your day. Try not to relapse and call people faggots.
Is it Earl?
Let's see. Let me show you this email. I actually don't know if I want to
it's
fucking
like-
put my email on.
I don't know.
Let's see.
That was great.
Here you go.
I'm dead
There's-
though.
Very insightful, Jack.
Like the B site has like a balcony that you can look over, and like you go down. If you're an attacker, you go down that long ramp, and it has that pillar in the dead center.
Here we go.
Oh, it's the new map, the newest map they came
So-
up with, I think.
This is what I got.
And there's like a canal
alright,
or like a place that fall down.
Yeah, you walk
In
through
the
that
middle?
tunnel, and it has
Let
a
me fucking mute
waterfall.
these retards. I'm trying to talk about trading. These guys are talking about fucking stupid maps. Okay. As I was saying, they're probably calling me retards while I'm sitting here now. But, I got this. Any girls in the chat? So this is what I got as a email on April 15th, and it said on one of the days I took a trade, there was a temporary lag when I took a thing, which was Trade Evade's fault, not Apex's fault. Wait, hold on. How you doing, big guy, Sandro? I remember I was here a few weeks ago and you were defending. No, I still am defending Apex. They denied me, but it's not Apex's fault. It says it right here. It's it was isolated to Trade Evade accounts. It was entirely outside of Apex. So they readjusted. So I can show you the rest of my. Hold on. I'm all over the place here. It's just those accounts that were affected by it. I requested it, but now my account balance got changed to what it should be. So my amount that I requested is off. But I can show you. Hold on. I still think Apex is good. Oh. Like it still says 3 are under review, but they're gonna get denied because my balance is now different. But up until this point, I've had no issue. Like all of these got approved because I requested these on different days, and then like all these ones that are on the 14th that had that trade in them, they all got adjusted. So I'm those ones are gonna get denied, but I'll just be able to request again. I don't fucking care. I would never deny you. Wow, thanks, Tyrone. What are you saying, damn to, Sandro? Okay, well this fucking chart's over. This dude's done. Just surprised because everyone talking shit on Apex. No, if you follow the rules, Apex is fine. I'm telling you, like that's proof right there. Or where did it go? Like they fucking. I never had a problem with them, even from when I was like trading less specific. As long as you fucking can follow their rules, you're fine. No problem. Like literally, these are the only 4 that are gonna get denied, and it's not even Apex's fault. It's just the part of the game. I'll just trade them more and get them up. Like it's not like they're, like if you look here, it's not like they're that far away from payouts. 27, 28, 29, 30. Like realistically, I can request in these two, and these two I'm right on the fucking edge. So anyway, catch anything today? I took 2 trades, which is very rare. I normally only take 1 if I take anything at all. I just, that's what I've lost today. It's just in commissions because I trade 1-to-1s, and these were my 2 setups. I got wicked out here on this flag, which or would have been here or here. I got wicked out, and then it went, but then I recaught the move on this flag here after it trapped down here. So I went 1-1, so break even day. Alright, I can unmute these guys. Got a really solid short today. What was like the price points on it? From where? Let me close out of this because I'm done today. It's 11 o'clock. Oh, trader back test calling me a homo. What a surprise. Tyrone's here today. Really nice 2-minute fair value gap. I know you trade momentum. But I trade ICT, so it was nice. I don't know. What was it? This guy here? Hold on. I can pick out fucking fair value gaps. I know what I'm talking about. Let me get my rectangle box out here.
Sneeze killed my chest.
Here we go. One of these bad Larrys? Was it something like that? Is that it touched it and then it closed below it? Like it's not a nice like rejection off of a fair value gap, so then it dumps or something? L Tyrone? Oh my god. He hates Tyrone. Did your got your payout approved by the way? Oh my god, Magic. Why? Why did you have to come fucking now? Why couldn't you have came fucking 2 minutes ago when I was just explaining it? I got most of them approved, and then I have 4 that are denied, but it's not Apex's fault or my fault. Tradeovate had an issue. This is it right here. So these ones all got approved, and then Tradeovate had an issue. On one of the days I traded, it was like high volatility, so they gave out the wrong prices, and then they had to adjust them a couple days later. So when I went to request, my balance was now different, so these ones are all going to get denied. I got like an email about it too, but it's whatever. I'll just trade them again and get them back up, but all these ones are fine.
Dude, why me, bro? There's 3 people in front of you and you shoot me.
Damn, he was here. Yeah, he was here earlier. Long now, 20-point stop. Oh, Tyrone. Actually, that's a maybe a possible bear flag with a trap there. It's a little bit steep and a little bit big of a trap. If you got in there, there's your 20 points. You're golden. That's ICT concept, but it's more to it. 650 was my entry. On the short, and I trade ICT concepts. I'm not. Oh, you're not taking it. Okay. Nice man. Always take the payouts. Yeah, I mean that one was just like an unfortunate one where it's like no, it's really nobody's fault, or I guess it's Tradeovate's, but it's whatever. $650 was entry on the short. Wait, I thought Sandro was the one talking about his short. Did you take the same fucking short as Sandro. Glad I have it this week. Why would you have lost there? Where did you say to buy? Here? Even if you did there, so. My entry was entered 590. Was I right on where it was, Sandro, or no? Which was 593. Oh, you were down here. Did you get in on this short here, or did you get in on this move? Like somewhere here, or somewhere here? To 511. Oh, wow. What, did you fucking bottom tick that? Oh, God, Tyrone's acting gay. Like, what's the target down? Why is the target not, London low? Or did it hit it on, like, ES instead? No. Magic's was... Magic 944 candle. So magically you took... You got short here. Off of... some ICT thing. So you saw this candle close, you got in here, and then rode this down. Nice. Oh, you took off 50% here. By the way, fix your chat, bro. My first message couldn't send. Was it homo? Is that what you were trying to write and it wouldn't send?
I regret playing this game.
Got the top of that candle, yes, but everyone trades different. What works for me maybe don't work for others. Yep, I agree. All right, it's 11:04 here. Well done for 200 people. Oh, thank you, Trading Tablet. I know, I'm fucking famous.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
So what I'm at? Am I at 200? Oh, I'm at 202. Wow. I'm a big baller. Unsubs? Yep, makes sense. I would too. Refresh. Wow. Comes in, compliments me for 200 people, and then unsubs. But I'm gonna do my daily dollar, and then I'm gonna call it.
My daily dollar.
Okay. Yep. Exactly. Thanks for the emphasis.
You're welcome.
All right. Here we go. One of these days, we're going to get to a $20 bonus buy. Here we go. 20 on the 6. There we go. Dude, what? Like, the amount of low cards they pull is unreal. Oh, great. Oh, great. The 23. Okay, great. Awesome. Cool. Good game. Yeah, alright, never mind. We're never getting to fucking $20 doing this. You can't even win a fucking hand. Alright, that's it.
$100 you got.
I'm done. I blew them all yesterday. I think I'm back to like 0. The worst. Yeah, I'm the worst, Music Magnus. I can't believe you hang out just to wait for that. But, alright. Peace out, people.